How to use the English determiner each in Tagalog. The Filipino word for each is bawat. Bawat. Bawat is usually followed by a singular noun in order to talk about an individual subject or object, like bawat bata, meaning each child. Bawat hayop, each animal. Bawat puno, each tree. Bawat can be placed at the beginning and middle of a sentence, but it's never placed at the end. Again, remember that you should never place bawat at the end of your sentence. Nagbayad ng 1,000,000 piso ang bawat negosyante. Nagbayad ng 1,000,000 piso ang bawat negosyante, meaning each businessman paid 1,000,000 pesos. Each businessman paid 1,000,000 pesos. Magbutas ka sa bawat sulok. Magbutas ka sa bawat sulok. Drill a hole in each corner. Drill a hole in each corner. Bawat mag-aaral ay may locker. Bawat mag-aaral ay may locker. Each student has a locker. Each student has a locker. Pinirmahan ng artista ang bawat poster. Pinirmahan ng artista ang bawat poster. Each poster is signed by the celebrity. Each poster is signed by the celebrity. Bawat isa sa atin ay may iba-ibang pangangailangan. Bawat isa sa atin ay may iba-ibang pangangailangan. We each have different needs. We each have different needs. Bawat isa sa amin ay nanalo ng premyo. Bawat isa sa amin ay nanalo ng premyo. Each of us won a prize. Or, each one of us won a prize. Bawat isa sa mga bata ay binigyan ng lobo. Bawat isa sa mga bata ay binigyan ng lobo. Each of the kids was given a balloon. Each of the kids was given a balloon. Ginawa ba ni Ronron ang bawat isa niyan? Ginawa ba ni Ronron ang bawat isa niyan? Did Ronron make each one of those? Did Ronron make each one of those? Nagbebenta sila ng siopaw sa halagang 50 pesos bawat isa. Nagbebenta sila ng siopaw sa halagang 50 pesos bawat isa. They are selling siopaw at 50 pesos each. They are selling siopaw at 50 pesos each. Siguraduhin mong makapaglagay ng 1 kutsarang asukal sa bawat tasa. Siguraduhin mong makapaglagay ng 1 kutsarang asukal sa bawat tasa. Make sure you put a spoonful of sugar in each cup. Make sure you put a spoonful of sugar in each cup. Ang bawat aplikante ay may 3 pagpipilian. Ang bawat aplikante ay may 3 pagpipilian. Each applicant has 3 choices. Each applicant has 3 choices. Bawat taong dumalo sa pulong ay may dalang pagkain. Bawat taong dumalo sa pulong ay may dalang pagkain. Each person who attended the meeting brought food. Each person who attended the meeting brought food. Lalo siyang nagiging desperado sa bawat araw na lumilipas. Lalo siyang nagiging desperado sa bawat araw na lumilipas. Each day that passed, he grew more and more desperate. Each day that passed, he grew more and more desperate. Nakatanggap ng regalo ang bawat bata. Nakatanggap ng regalo ang bawat bata. Each kid received a gift. Each kid received a gift. Bawat tao rito ay sumasang-ayon. Bawat tao rito ay sumasang-ayon. Each person here agrees. Each person here agrees. Bawat pakete ng asukal ay may 10 calories. Bawat pakete ng asukal ay may 10 calories. Each packet of sugar has 10 calories. Each packet of sugar has 10 calories. Bawat isa sa inyo ay espesyal. Bawat isa sa inyo ay espesyal. Each one of you is special. Each one of you is special. Bawat bahay ay may ibang numero. Bawat bahay ay may ibang numero. Each house has a different number. Each house has a different number. Basahing mabuti ang bawat pangungusap. Basahing mabuti ang bawat pangungusap. Read each sentence carefully. Read each sentence carefully. Bawat tindahan sa kalyeng ito ay nagbebenta ng puto. Bawat tindahan sa kalyeng ito ay nagbebenta ng puto. Each shop on this street sells rice cake. Each shop on this street sells rice cake. Bawat kahilingan ay bibigyan ng pagsasaalang-alang. Bawat kahilingan ay bibigyan ng pagsasaalang-alang. Each request will be given a careful consideration. Each request will be given a careful consideration. Bawat manlalaro ay may 5 baraha. Bawat manlalaro ay may 5 baraha. Each player has 5 cards. Each player has 5 cards. Kinapanayam nila ang bawat kandidato. Kinapanayam nila ang bawat kandidato. They interviewed each candidate. They interviewed each candidate. Masarap ang bawat panghimagas dito. Masarap ang bawat panghimagas dito. Each of the desserts here is delicious. Each of the desserts here is delicious. Maingat nilang siniyasat ang bawat kasangkapan. Maingat nilang siniyasat ang bawat kasangkapan. They carefully inspected each furniture. They carefully inspected each furniture. Ang mansanas ay 10 piso bawat isa. Ang mansanas ay 10 piso bawat isa. The apples are 10 pesos each. The apples are 10 pesos each. Binigyan niya ng tig-pipiso ang bawat estudyante. Binigyan niya ng tig-pipiso ang bawat estudyante. She gave each student 1 peso. She gave each student 1 peso. May isa para sa bawat isa sa inyo. May isa para sa bawat isa sa inyo. There's one for each of you. There's one for each of you. Nagkakahalaga ang isda ng 100 piso bawat isa. Nagkakahalaga ang isda ng 100 piso bawat isa. The fish cost 100 pesos each. The fish cost 100 pesos each. Libu-libong hayop ang pinapatay bawat taon. Libu-libong hayop ang pinapatay bawat taon. Thousands of animals are killed each year. Thousands of animals are killed each year. I'm sure that it's now clear to you that bawat is used to talk about individual subjects or objects. But did you know that the word bawat also translates to the English determiner every when you want to talk about singular nouns collectively or as a group? Have a look at this example. Bawat aralin sa channel na ito ay mahalaga. Bawat aralin sa channel na ito ay mahalaga. Meaning, every lesson in this channel is important. Every lesson in this channel is important. So what does this sentence imply? It means that not just one lesson is important, but every single lesson in this channel is important. It's close to saying, all lessons are important. Next we have, bawat miyembro ng pangkat ay nakatanggap ng medalya. Bawat miyembro ng pangkat ay nakatanggap ng medalya. Every member of the team received a medal. Every member of the team received a medal. So not just one member received a medal, but everyone in the team did. Bawat isa sa amin ay may pulseras. Bawat isa sa amin ay may pulseras. Every one of us has a bracelet. Every one of us has a bracelet. Bawat sundalo ay sumaludo sa Pangulo. Bawat sundalo ay sumaludo sa Pangulo. Every soldier saluted the President. Every soldier saluted the President. Gusto kong puntahan ang bawat bansa sa mundo. Gusto kong puntahan ang bawat bansa sa mundo. I want to visit every country in the world. I want to visit every country in the world. Bawat pasyente ay nanggaling sa parehong lugar. Bawat pasyente ay nanggaling sa parehong lugar. Every patient came from the same area. Every patient came from the same area.